Okay, right now I am in your activity feed, which is under your stuff, and we're going to learn how to set up groups. The idea is your specific subject area for a grade would be the house, and then the particular periods would be the kind of the rooms within that house. So that might not make any sense right now, but let me set this up and then maybe it will. You're going to go to your groups and go to create new group. I'm just going to say Mr. Smith's language arts, and I'm going to say specifically here, I would say he's 6th grade. This is obviously fictional. 6th grade language arts. Here I could describe it. This is a group for all of Mr. Smith's 6th grade language arts classes. I could choose a photo, something that would symbolize that group, and when I'm done I click save, and it automatically sets it up as a page. So here's my Mr. Smith's 6th grade language arts page, and this is, like I said, is the house. What we're going to do later is we're going to put links to each of his periods right here on this page, and we'll do that by going to edit group settings, and inside here it's like a Word document. I can just type in, I'm going to put them in right now, period 1, period 2, period 3, and at least for middle school, for my last one, I'm going to put in reach. And these, what I can do is I can, just like a Word document, I can make it bold, I could change the fonts, and add a picture in. I could do lots of different things. That's something that we'll talk about later on. But once I'm done, and you'll want to go through right now and put those in, pause me if you need to, but get those ready, because what we're going to do is create groups and then link to these on this page. So once you get that done, pause right now if you need to, and when you're done, set your privacy as only group members can view this group's content. That means just basically only the people that are actually joined your group can see the content, and click save. Okay, what we're going to do now is go back and create a group for each one of these periods that we have here. To do that, I go to your groups, I'm going to go to create new group. Now here I'm going to want to, it's a little, it might seem silly, but you need to put in the entire name again, because if you just put in period 1, what will happen is you'll see the other teachers' groups, and it'll have a bunch of period 1s. We won't have any idea whose is whose, so you want to identify it. So what we would do is put in Mr. Smith's 6th grade language arts period 1. Again, I could choose a whole separate photo if I wanted to. I save, and it's been created. Now here's where it gets a little tricky, but just watch what we do and you'll get this. You're going to go up here where we'd usually put in our web addresses and just click anywhere inside that bar. You're going to hit Command A to select everything, and you're going to hit Command C to copy it. Now we're going to go to your groups. I'm going to go to the house that I created, which was that 6th grade language arts page. I'm going to go to edit group settings. What I do is select, this is period 1 is the group I made. I go over to where the chain is, which is link, insert or edit a link. I'm going to click that, having highlighted period 1. All I do now, as you can see, my cursor is in the box for the linking it. I'm going to put Command V. And what that does is paste the web address for that period 1 group inside that box. Don't worry about target, don't worry about title, just click insert, and you see it went blue. That means it's now a hyperlink, which means, I'll go down and save. You always have to save. What that means is that now is when I click on that, it'll take me straight to that period 1 page. So we're going to go now, and I'm going to do this for the other groups, and I'll go through and do every single one. Once you feel like you understand how to do it, feel free to just stop me and move on and create your own groups, but I'll go through each one just in case there's any questions, so you can see it 5 more times. Here I go. Command A, Command C. Command V. Oops, create new group. Command A, Command C. Command A, Command C. Okay, what I'm doing for the last one is, or at least at the middle school, we teach 5 periods and then we have a reach class. We're going to go ahead and create that reach group as well. So if you're curious, if you're a high school teacher wondering why we're doing that, that's the reason. Command A, Command C. And we'll go and save. And we have it set up. So now maybe it'll make more sense when I say the house. The house is this group for 6th grade language arts, and they talk about the rooms or each of these periods which are in there that are all hyperlinked, that all live inside there. So my students could come to this page, and there could be announcements just for students, for all 6th grade language arts students. Then they can specifically go to their period, period 4, and only students in period 4 would have permission to view this particular page. And that's how we set up our house. Let someone know if you have any questions.